Hi friends, today I'm gonna make a coffee for myself, but this time I'm gonna use Kinro's coffee grinder. Let's start. Okay, let's start adding our coffee beans into coffee grinder. I'm gonna use 1 spoon for 1 person. Okay. So let's grind this. You can feel actually when it's done because it gets smooth, so you have no difficulty to turn it. Okay, let's shake it and try one more time. Okay, it seems fine. So let's open this. Okay, it's done, by the way, you can see. Okay, now we can add this or coffee filter. And let's brush so that we are gonna be sure all coffee is into filter. Yes, it's magnetic, by the way, you don't have to do much. Yes. Now I'm waiting for my water to boil so that I can put my boiled water into the coffee filter and wait till it's ready. You can see it's done. And now I'm gonna fill boiled water into this. And after it's done, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Thanks for watching. See you later.